had the bright idea last night that I wanted to crochet my outfit. I'm going out in 6 hours, and this is what my outfit looks like. Good old cotton. On a normal Saturday, this wouldn't be a problem because I like to tell myself that I work best under pressure. Whatever that means. But in addition to having to finish crocheting my outfit, I also have to pack because I'm going to New York on a 6 a.m. flight tomorrow morning. The pressure is on. I have to finish crocheting this top. I have to finish packing. I have to go out tonight, and then probably when I come back, still have to do a little bit of packing, and I'm not gonna get any sleep because by the time I get home, it's going to be time for me to go to the airport so I can catch my 6 a.m. flight. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know, but we're already here. So like, are we gonna crochet or what? I crocheted a pair of capris this week. Super cute, super chic. I couldn't find something to wear with it, so I thought, let me just crochet something. This is actually what I have done of my outfit. There is a lovely YouTube tutorial already out for this, and there's a free pattern in the link of the YouTube video. Super helpful. I literally learned how to do this yesterday. It's supposed to be a halter top that connects in the front. I did the most important part, and I can't lie, y'all, this is the first time I've ever made like a cup for a crochet top because I don't make crochet tops. I've just always been so intimidated by them, so I just never did it. But this is really nice. Like, I can't believe I did this. Maybe you can't really tell because of the black shirt underneath, but this is my outfit, y'all. Going out in 6 hours. The good thing is though, I finished like the most time-consuming part. Maybe not the most time-consuming, the most intricate part of this pattern, and I just have to keep recreating this shell stitch down here to like build the length. Maybe I'm gonna do it to like here. I don't know. I just had to unravel Frog, an old project, so I can get this yarn. I've used an entire skein just to make this. I messed up a little, but I just kept going. Not gonna stop me. I really hope I can get this done in the next hour.
A few inches later.
So it's been 2 hours, but at least I'm done. I feel like my measurements for this top are a little wonky because, you know, I just did it. There were some mistakes I made, but I just kept pushing because it had to get done. Now this is done. I'm not gonna try it on until like I'm actually getting ready because I actually don't have time. I need to start packing. Once my laundry is done, then I'll really be able to piece together my outfits. But for now, I'm gonna pack the little things. I'm supposed to be leaving in 3.5 hours. So I need to be packed tonight, and there's also like a bunch of housekeeping things that I need to do before I leave. I'm not stressed. I'm not stressed. I'm not stressed. Let me get my luggage. It's 5:22. I leave in 40 minutes, less than 40 minutes. I'm not done packing, but the good news is the top looks great. Now, are there things that I could have done better? Yes, but do I have time to fix them and worry about them now? No. I leave in 40 minutes. I still want to accessorize this up, but I'm not done fully packing yet. I did finish laundry, folded it, so I pretty much have the things I'm going to pack laid out. I just need to pack them, which I don't think should be a problem for me to do a few hours from now. This is my crochet bag that I already packed. Look at how cute. Anyways, I have my gloves in here, some cashmere yarn that I'm really excited to use. I think I have an idea of what I want to make with it. I have my hooks and needles and stitch markers all in here. I can't find my other pouch, but this will do. Last time when I went somewhere and I was like, I'm not gonna crochet the whole time, I ended up buying a hook and yarn. This time, let me at least come prepared. I also have this really pretty sparkly yarn. It's so white. I have an idea of something I want to make with this, so we'll see if I feel inspired and end up making it. And I have a measuring tape. That's what's in my crochet bag. I have this gold chain that was passed down, and I literally wear this with everything. It goes. This super cute purse that I got from my mom. Well, I didn't get it from her. It was hers. Now it's mine. How cute. These are probably my favorite sandals right now. They're Jeffrey Campbell. They're just such a vibe and the pop of color I needed.
A few moments later.
You see, this is why I have to get ready early. I just decided that I'm going to finish this hat really quick so I can wear it with this outfit because I think it would be really cute. Honestly, me deciding to start crocheting with embroidery thread and a 2.25mm hook has changed my crochet life. Like, that's so crazy to me. I really don't have time for this. You'll see the vision. You'll see the vision. Give me a second. Ready? Yeah, walk with me. Where's my purse? Are we walking? Are we walking? Mr. DJ, somebody replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? And you walk on the dance floor, wanting some more. Come, Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? That's what it's giving. To know me is to know that I love Rihanna. So, ooh, it's giving ponder replay. Anyways, my outfit just got like a million times better. Let me add some more jewelry. But I'm so glad this worked out. The fact that I had this hat just sitting here waiting to be worn. This is a full outfit crocheted by me. I crocheted everything I have on. Is that not crazy? Guy, it's mad. But I gotta go start my night so that I can start my day tomorrow. The next time I see you, I will be in New York because I don't miss flights. So until then. There's just something about being in New York that just lifts my spirit. Even though there are things that I find distasteful, I still love being here. We're actually here for the Cleo Soul concert, which is tomorrow. She has 3 days of concerts, but we're going to the 3rd one. My cousin is a really big Cleo Soul fan, and we got these tickets in December or January? December. We got these tickets in December. Okay, we planned to come to New York specifically for this Cleo Soul concert. Yesterday was our first official day, so this is day 2. Day 1, we really got to moving right away. I don't know how we're still going. The weather right now is a little cold, a little breezy. It's raining today, but it actually looks really beautiful, and I don't even like rain. Anyway, since it is raining today, I should probably wear a hat, right? But I only brought 2 hats. You guys, the crochet lady only brought 2 hats. But that's also because I felt like I would be crocheting something, so here I am about to crochet something. Today I want to try to make a mesh hat to match this outfit. And I have this 100% cashmere yarn that I got for Christmas. It was one of my Christmas gifts, and I've been waiting to find the perfect thing to make with it, and I think I found it. I'm going to make a 100% cashmere mesh cap. That just sounds so good, 100% cashmere. I'm waiting for the day where I can make a full sweater, or a full piece, maybe not a sweater, but a full crochet item out of cashmere, or just really high quality yarn. That type of stuff excites me, you know? We're about to head into Manhattan right now to visit an antique shop, and then hopefully I actually get a chance to sit down and crochet today, because who knows? Who knows if I'll have that time. So we're back. Did I get to crochet anything? No. But am I gonna crochet now? Yes. This is the cashmere yarn I'm going to be using. So I underestimated how much yarn is actually in this little ball. I thought it was going to be so tiny, but I can definitely make a hat out of this. I do want to finish this today though, so I'm going to use a 4mm hook as opposed to a 2.25. It doesn't even recommend a hook size, so it really is do what you want. It's your yarn, it's your cashmere. Let's see how long this takes me. Hopefully I am done by tomorrow. This is crocheting so smoothly.
How do you want to move forward with this group? Can the 4 of you coexist? That's not normal behavior.
No, what did you say? Yeah. It is a perfectly sunny day in New York, and I finished my hat. This is what I love about the city. One day it's raining, pouring, still pretty. Next day it's bright, sunny, birds are chirping, cars are honking. Every time I make this type of hat, this style of hat, using a different hook for the first time, I always end up making it too big, realizing it's too big, stopping, and then having to unravel a ton to make it smaller. So of course I had to unravel last night, but I was still able to finish it this morning. I made this hat because I wanted it to be a warm hat, warm light hat, because I thought it was gonna keep raining today, but now it's sunny, it's bright out. This might be a little too warm. I might still wear it tonight for the concert though, we'll see. For now though, I'm actually gonna end up wearing the other mesh hat that I brought. This is the hat for the day. You can't see my outfit, but it's cute. These brown boots that absolutely hurt after an hour, but they're cute. And they go with the vibe, you know? The record store we went to was absolutely amazing. Look what I found. There were so many gems in there and the owner was so nice. And then I also got this little trinket opener thing. You have a lipstick in here and then you can see yourself. How cute. Now we're about to do what we came here for. We're about to head out to the concert. Denim fit. How cute. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.